Updating your email address on YouTube TV is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Sign into YouTube TV. Go to the YouTube TV website or open the app. Enter your current email address and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, click on your profile picture in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Email Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the Account section. Here, you will find an option for email or change email. Click on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter new email address. You will be prompted to enter your new email address. Type in the new email you wish to use and confirm it if necessary. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, make sure to save your changes. You may receive a confirmation email at your new address to verify the update. Once you have completed these steps, your email address on YouTube TV will be updated. Make sure to check your new email for any confirmation messages.